Some breaking news regarding the death figures for COVID-19 across the UK regionally. We believe we can speak to our reporter Ali Fortescue, who can contextualise these for us. We're still waiting, of course, from the Department of Health and Social Care update, which amalgamates the figures in a slightly different way, Ali. But tell us about the figures that we've just had.
Yes, in the last few moments we've had some of the figures from our nations, and it does look like the numbers have fallen. It is, of course, a Sunday, so worth remembering that sometimes we see a lag over the weekend and the numbers do come down. But in England, 482 more deaths reported. Yesterday, that figure was 784. So that is actually the lowest daily figure for nearly 2 weeks. That brings the total in England to 14,400. We also have the numbers for Scotland, 10 more deaths, again significantly lower than yesterday. We must remind you that there is often a lag on Sunday. We often see these figures falling quite low on a Sunday and then jumping up again on Monday. So worth remembering that. That brings a total in Scotland to 903. But then in Wales, the number has gone up slightly, 41 more deaths, that is compared to 28 yesterday, bringing the total there to 575. So these figures do seem to be relatively consistent with the overall trend. We're seeing that curve flattening, the rate slowing. Having said that, even at a slower rate, if we carry on at this rate, then we will pass 20,000 deaths towards the end of next week. And that, of course, you'll remember the chief scientific advisor saying would be a good case scenario if we didn't pass 20,000 deaths, even at a slower rate. And of course, the numbers today are a little lower. Even at a slower rate, it does seem like we may well pass 20,000 deaths, and we are still talking about hundreds of deaths every single day.